Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Setting an efficient strategy is important for all aspects of FEA, but generally more so for non-linear analyses. Here we show some of the steps needed to take to ensure a successful analysis. Non-linear FEA may lead to long run times, often with an unsatisfactory outcome at the end of the analysis. During the course, we'll take you through many techniques to ensure successful output. These can range from initial linear solver verification, tailoring model size for optimal model fidelity, and means of increasing the scope of the structure, both in terms of assembly coverage and the extent of non-linearity in the model. We'll also give you the insight to troubleshoot a failed analysis and what corrective steps to take. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.